Seeing SOS listed at the top of your iPhone and not sure what it means? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll explain what SOS means on iPhone and give you a few tips on how to fix it. Now let's get started. If you're seeing SOS at the top of your iPhone screen, this means you aren't connected to any cellular network, but you're still able to make emergency calls. Despite not having service from your mobile provider, SOS indicates you can still call emergency services like 911 if needed. Some reasons you might be seeing SOS at the top of your screen could be you're outside of the service area for cellular network coverage, your SIM card isn't inserted into your device properly, or you have no SIM or eSIM set up, or you're traveling and don't have data roaming set up. Now, here are a few things you can try to get rid of the SOS label and reconnect to your cellular network. First, try turning airplane mode on and off again. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen and tap the airplane icon to enable airplane mode. Leave this on for at least 30 seconds, then turn it off again. If that doesn't work, try turning your phone off and back on again. Still not connecting? Try checking for a carrier settings update. To do this, open your settings. Select General. Then tap About. Scroll down to the Carrier section. If an update is available, you'll see the option to update here. If you're currently traveling internationally, you may need to enable data roaming to get access to cellular networks. To do this, open your settings. Select Cellular. Then tap Cellular Data Options. Tap the switch labeled Data Roaming to turn this feature on. If you've tried all of these troubleshooting tips and are still having trouble, we'd suggest contacting your mobile service provider for assistance on reconnecting to your cellular network. That covers everything you need to know about SOS mode on iPhone and how to fix it. For more helpful iPhone tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of iPhone tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.